A very good afternoon to one and all present with me in this live class of your English. And from last two classes we are discussing grammar topics of English language. Before we start the class, I like to make it clear to the students, because yesterday I have seen that some of the students were little confused whether their responses, their comments, their queries are reaching to me or not. So surely I am going through your comments, but I am going through your queries and your words you are sharing with me. I have seen that many of the students were sharing their answers. They were pointing out the types of noun when the discussion was going on, and actually it's good. You had a creative and interactive participation in previous class, and that makes this class very interactive, as we have already discussed. So keep answering for the questions, keep sharing your doubts and your queries, so that this class we can bring on a live platform, we can say, where we will have face to, though not exactly face to face communication, but yes, surely we will try to bring one communication system between us, and I can clear your doubts and queries. So I welcome you all the students, those who are connected with me through both the apps, wherever you are watching it, school app or other social media app. So here you all are here. Only I am not calling your names, because may possible the IDs which are reflecting on the screen are with the name of your parents. So it will look a little awkward to call them like that. Okay, so I know so many students are there, like Radhesham is there, Amrit is there, Mahesh Kumar Gupta is written here, he is also there. So all these students are welcome in this online class. So this opportunity we are going to cash with lots of knowledge regarding the topics we are going to discuss. So you can share your opinions. Now here we will take a small recap of previous class. Last class we discussed the type of noun, two types of noun we have discussed, proper noun and common noun. We discuss them in comparative way, in comparison. Proper noun, you can see from the previous slide, you may recall what we discussed in last class. These all examples, and along with these examples many more examples we discussed for proper noun and common noun. As it is clear to everyone now that proper nouns are the names given to the particular or specific person, place or the items, we can say. And common noun is the name given in common to the person, place, animal or thing of the same class or kind. As flowers, many flowers are there. So flower is a common noun, but rose, we can say it's a proper noun. Jasmine is a proper noun, because we are talking about, or we are telling about, a particular flower. The same way, fish is a common noun given to an aquatic animal. Whale is a particular animal, particular species of fish we know. Teacher is a common noun, as the people, those who are giving the knowledge, they are teaching the students, are called teacher. On the other hand, Mr. Sharma, Mr. Saxena or Mr. Sardana are the examples of proper noun. Many more such examples we have discussed. We also discussed that the abstract nouns are not used for the concept of proper or common. Then we have also discussed that proper nouns are always begin with capital letter, while it's not the same for common noun. So in the continuation of the topic, today we are going to discuss another type of noun, that is collective noun. You can see again pictures. These pictures will give you audio visual examples. This audio video tool or equipment will help you to clear your concepts. Abstract concepts will be bring on the concrete form. So you can see the pictures here. In the first picture you can see number of the musicians. Here you can see the soldiers. Here number of monkeys. Then we can see grass in this picture. then lions, wolves, then trees, many of the trees together, and the judges sitting together. These pictures are used to give you an example of collective noun. Now, what is the definition of collective noun? So, noun given to the group of a person, place, thing, animal of same class. Noun of a group or collection or gathering of person, place, animal or thing, and that are also of a same kind, same type. The group is of the same, means if the group of people, the people belong to the same field, same profession, we can say. If the group of place, a group of thing is there, then obviously the things are related to one purpose only. So, this collection, this gathering or this group is, the name of this such a group is called collective noun. Collect means to gather, to bring together, right. So, collect means to bring on one place. So, when we are taking or collecting the items of or the person or the things of same type, same class, same criteria, that are called or that are included in the concept of collective noun. So, you can see here as excuse me, as you can see here, number of the musicians, 4 musicians are here, okay. So, that means they all are the member of any musical group. So, obviously they all are musicians, so they belong to one group. So, group of musician is called a band, right. Means a band, like you may have your school band, we have our school band. So, band means the players, the people, those who play different instruments. Only the musicians will be the part of this group, this gathering, this collection. Singers will not be the part, the writers will not be the part of this group. Only the people playing the different musical instrument can be the part of this group, and this group is called band, okay. Now, here you can see, as we have already seen, this is the picture of the soldiers. Now, soldiers means they are of the one team, either they are from the land force, air force, or they are only from the we can say navy, okay. So, only specific one, land force, soldiers, group, army, okay. So, soldiers together make an army, okay. Now, here you can see a group of monkeys, many monkeys, you can see 5 monkeys are there in this one group, they all gathered together. This is the collection of 5 monkeys in this picture. So, this group is called troop. Now, no one other animal rather than monkey can be the part of this troop. You cannot include any other wild or domestic or any other animal to become the part of this group because they are animal. No, troop means group of monkeys only, okay. Then tuft of grass, you can see this grass, and one, if you will see this stroke of, if it is in green color and it is a grass, it is a blade of grass. Single is a blade of grass. If we have a single only, it is a blade of grass. But when we have many blades of grass together, it is called a tuft of grass. It is called a tuft of grass. Now, you can see here, this picture is of lions. In this picture, we have 4 lions together. This is a group of lions. Only lion is the member of this, are the members of this group. You cannot include any other wild animal like tiger or leopard or someone. Here we have only tigers in this group. This is the gathering of tiger. It is called pride of lions. Another picture is also of wild animal. This is the picture of wolves. Number of wolves. Here in this group we have 6 wolves together. Gathering of 6 wolves. This group of 6 wolves or collection of these 6 wolves is called pack of wolves. That can be 6 wolves or more than that. But only the wolves together will make a pack of wolves. You cannot add any other wild animal in this group. Okay, that is what the same class or same kind we are saying. The person, place, animal or thing of the same class or same kind. Now clump of trees, we can see the number of trees here. This one tree, one. How many trees you can see here? See. So all these trees together is making a clump. So clump of trees. Now here you can see 3 judges are sitting. So it's a gathering of judges. Judicial system, they are related to judicial system. So only the judges can make bench here. You cannot add any of the advocate here. So only judges are forming, group of judges forming a bench here. So these are very less examples. We have discussed many more examples. We'll see here. Let's see. We'll go for another one and we'll have to see. Okay, I'll try to give you examples here. Just a minute. So we'll add here one new slide and we can discuss here. Okay, so on this slide we will discuss the example, other examples. Okay, so if we are talking about suppose group of fish. Okay, so if we have fish, wait a minute. If we have group of fish, so group of fish is called school. If we have group of stars, so it is called constellation. Okay, then if we have group of singers, we have discussed the group of musicians, it is called band. But if we are talking about group of singers, it is called choir group, choir. Okay, if we have cattles, the milk animals we can say, so they are, the group of cattles is called herd. At the same time, group of elephants is also called herd. So here herd is used for group of elephants also. Okay, if we have a group of keys, object, okay, this is we are talking about the person and animal. If we have a group of keys, it is called bunch. The keys together, bunch. Okay, a bunch of keys, bunch of grapes, even the group of keys or grapes, no, grapes fruit, it is called bunch only. If we have number of flowers together, it is called, or we can say collection of flower. So collection of flower is called bouquet. So you gift bouquet on the birthdays and in wedding anniversaries and all. So bouquet is a collection of flowers. Okay, if we have a collection or a group of girls, okay, group of girls, it is called bevy. Like many more examples you may know that we can use for it. Okay, like shoal of fish also we can say. Then a gang of robbers. Okay, gang of robbers, where the many robbers are making one group, or the number of robbers together forming a group. Collection of the robbers is called gang. You can also have a swarm of bees. Okay, so these are few more examples we are discussing here. In this way, you can understand whenever we are talking about a school of children also we know, okay, but here we are talking about school is the name of collection of fish. When number of fish of the same species coming together or gathered together, we call it fish. When we talk about constellation, we never think about only one star. You may have studied in your SST geography chapter in class, might be class 3rd, 4th, or especially in 6th class, it is the part constellation. Constellation means number of stars together. Okay, choir, our school choir won the competition. If I say, I never want to highlight only one singer of the school. Obviously, a group of singers from the school are the members or are the part of that victory. So, surely choir suggests the number of singers together. When we talk about herd, it means the number of cattle or elephants together. When we talk about bunch, I lost my bunch of key. You will never think about one key. Surely you are trying to search that bunch, means you are trying to search that number of keys there. Okay, so you have to be you have to be careful when you are finding the collective noun, that we are not talking about any one object, we are talking about number of objects or person or place in the same group having the same kind. Okay, the same with this word of bouquet, the same with the word bevy of girls, the robbers, gang of robbers, or the swarm of bees. So, in this way you can use collective noun. Okay. So, let us see your concept about collective noun is clear or not. So, can you give me any other example of collective noun, or can you make it clear by giving your responses whether this concept of collective noun is clear to you or not. So, let us see the students who are replying here. Okay. Okay, students, as you, so many students are here with me. So, let me know if you have any query, any doubt about this concept of collective noun. Can you please tell me? Till that we can write few more example here. Flock of sheep. Okay, sheep, animal whose wool we are using to make the warm clothes. You can have more. Okay, like heap of coins. Okay. Yes. Then bundle of sticks. Two more examples I have given you. So, let me have some examples from your side. Yes, as you are very curious to know the more whether your opinions I am going through or not. So, yes, surely I am watching replies, and the students are saying here the concept of collective noun is crystal clear to them, it is very clear to them, there is no doubt left. So, accepting this answer, accepting the same response from you all, we will move for the next topic, next type of noun, and what is that? You can see here, that is material noun. Material, okay. Now, what is material noun? So, names given to the things which we cannot but weigh or measure. So, it is very clear with definition that material nouns are only representing things. Okay, we are not including in this section the names of person or place or animal. Living beings name we are not including here. only non-living things we are including here. Okay. So what is meant by the name of things that we cannot but weight and measure? Means only we are able to weigh them. We can count its weight or you can count its measurement. Okay. Now examples you can see. What is this? What is this picture about? Yes, this is the picture of ring. Ring, as I have one in my finger. May some of you have rings in your finger, or you may have seen your parents having rings in their finger. So ring is a jewelry, we know. Okay, so this is the picture of ring. Okay, it is yellow in color, so you can understand these rings are made up of gold. Okay, so gold, what is gold? You know, gold is the thing, it is something that you can weight in grams or kilograms. Okay, one of the costly one item gold is. Yesterday it is Guru Pushamrut Yog, it is called in the time of Diwali. This is a specific day when people like to buy something new. Okay, some of the people might have purchased the new cars, new vehicles, some of the people might have purchased the gold, though the rate of gold is too high nowadays, but still many of the people are there, those who believe that if they will purchase little bit, no problem, gold on this day, they will be able to, means it is the mark of prosperity. Okay, so people especially purchase new things or gold on this time. So we can see here gold, it is something that is used as a material to make this ring. Okay, so we can say this ring is made up of gold. So what you can say, this ring is made up of gold, right? So gold is the raw material for this jewelry. Now you can see this picture, it is of a table, and as you can see it is in black color, and I can see it clearly in front of me. It may be little blur or not clear on your mobile screens, but yes, this picture shows that this table is made up of iron. Okay, so iron is the metal used to make this table. So what we can say, that iron is a raw material that is used to make this table, means this table is made of iron. Okay, table is made of iron. Iron also we can weigh, we can measure its weight in grams, kilograms. Okay, next you can see the picture of chair, and this chair is made up of wood. Okay, the chair is made up of wood. So wood is the material used as a raw material for this furniture. Chair is a part of furniture. Okay, we know that. So wood is used as a raw material to make this chair. The chair can be of plastic. Okay, plastic chairs are also available nowadays. Cane chairs are also available. So the chairs which are made up of plastic, that means plastic is used as a raw material. The chairs made up of cane, that means cane is used as a raw material to make that chair. It means that all the names, these names of the items, these three items, wood, plastic or cane, is something that we can weight, we can measure, we can that count the weight of these items. Okay, so here we can say the chair is made up of wood. This chair in the picture is made up of wood. It is made of wood, means wood is the raw material for this item. Now next, this picture you can see, it's thin one, so I am giving you border so you can easily recognize it, that this is a jar, and this jar is made of glass, transparent, translucent item. Okay, so this jar is made of glass. Now here glass is also a material. Glass is used to make the glass to drink water. This glass is a raw material and it can be used to make this glass as a utensil. Okay, as the jar can be made up of clay, plastic jar. That means we can use these three different items to make this one single piece. It can be made up of glass, it can be made up of clay, it can be made up of plastic. Okay. So what do we understand? That these are the names of the items, things that are used as a raw material for making this thing. Okay. Jar made of glass. So what is this? Jar of glass or jar made up of glass. Okay. So these four examples we have discussed. So what we have seen, that in the first item, gold is the name of something that we can weight or measure. Okay, that means it is used as a raw material for this jewelry. Here iron is something that we can weight. Okay, it is used as a raw material for this thing. Then wood, it is used here that we can measure and it is used as a raw material for making this furniture. And glass is also something that we can weight and it is used to make this utensil or this item. So the name of these objects, these things, gold, iron, wood and glass are the example of material noun here. We are not talking about ring. Keep it in mind. Here we are not talking about ring. We are talking about gold. Because if we talk about ring, ring is a common noun because it is a thing. Right? But this ring is made up of gold, so gold is material noun here. Okay? Iron, table, if we say table, table is also common noun. It is also common noun. But we are not talking about table, we are talking about iron that is used as a raw material for this item. So it is material noun here. Okay. Another picture, chair. Again chair is a common noun. It is one of the furniture. But we are not talking here about chair, we are talking here about wood, that is a material used to make this furniture. So wood is material noun. The same in the case of jar. Jar is the name of a thing that is in common. But we are talking here about glass, that is a material used to make this item and which is material noun. So except this definition, in short we can say the material nouns are the name of the items or things that are used as the raw material to make something else, to make another object from that, to make another thing from that. Okay, let's see some of the example. You can see a bangle of gold. Okay, if I say gold is precious, gold is precious. Here also we are talking about a material that is used to make other ornaments. Okay, if I say sheet of paper, so here we are talking about paper as a material. Okay, plastic, door made up of plastic. Okay, so plastic is also a material noun. Bronze, silver, copper, these are all the names of the material that are used to make something else. So they are all the part of or the examples of material noun. Clear? Now here you have to be very careful. Okay, to make it clear, what happened normally, people get confused with. Now we will add here one more sheet here that will help you. Okay. Okay, we'll see what to do. Okay, now it's not there. Okay, so here only we will try to explain. You can use this part here. These examples I will clear, so we will get some space to use it for another purpose. Okay, we will clean it and we will use this space for the examples. Some doubts I want to clear, because normally students get confused. Okay, wait a minute, it's taking some time, some technical issues are there. We will see. Yes, here we can use. Okay, so we can use this. Yes, now it's working smoothly. Now, so what we are discussing, we were discussing about material noun. What happens? Sometimes students get confused about the use of material noun and adjective. Okay, how they get confused? See, when I say chair of wood or chair made up of wood, in that case we are using the word wood to express that it is used as a raw material to make chair. But if I say wooden chair, then here we are not using this word wooden as the information of raw material. We are describing the chair by using this word, describing word. So it is an adjective for the noun chair. Chair is noun and wooden is adjective here. If we say ring made up of gold, then here gold is material noun. But if we say golden ring, then either it tells us about the color of the ring or the ring that is of gold. So here golden is the word used as an adjective, not as a material noun. Okay, the same iron, we said table made of iron. Okay, so here obviously iron is a material noun, but if I say iron rod or iron table, then it becomes adjective for the noun table. So here actually normally students get confused about the concept of material noun and adjective. So these examples I hope will clear your doubts about the difference between material noun and adjective. Okay, so next time when you will read the sentences and you get such type of examples there, you should read it clearly and find out whether the nouns are telling about something that can be weight or measure, or as a raw material it is used, or they are giving extra information about noun or pronoun. Okay, so here we have discussed the topic material noun. Okay, so I hope the concept of material noun and collective noun is clear to you. Now let's discuss the fifth type of noun. Okay, so first noun we have completed, common noun, proper noun done, collective noun, material noun done. Is there any doubt in this concept? Is it clear to you everyone what is difference between the material noun and adjective? How material noun are used in the sentences? Is it clear to you? Okay, okay, so yes, students, tell me if there is any doubt. Okay, now see, so we have already discussed here material noun, and the last type of noun that we have already discussed when we were discussing the concept of noun, concrete and abstract. Abstract noun, that is also included as the part of or types of noun, fifth type of noun. And we have already discussed what are abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are the words used for some actions, some state of quality, some ideas. Okay, so as we have already discussed many of the examples about abstract noun, let's discuss few more pictures that will make you understand, that will again revise the concept of abstract, and you will be able to find out the examples, more examples your own. So you can see here sympathy. A lady patting the back of this man, and we can understand with this picture that she is trying to make him understand something. Might be this man is worried about his economical condition and the lady is trying to console him, saying that don't worry, everything will be okay, no need to worry, this time will also go, your good time will start. Okay, so the girl is, or the lady is showing sympathy for this man. So sympathy in Hindi you call it santwana. Okay, dilasa dena, like that words we are using. Next picture, you can see the picture of the young people, all cheerful, energetic, passionate people they are, having a good smile on their face. So they are representing the youth. Youth is an abstract concept. How can you feel this idea of youth, this state of youth? You cannot feel them, this concept, seeing the old people. You cannot see or understand this concept seeing the small infant babies. This is the concept you can understand by seeing energetic, passionate young people. So youth is the concept that is expressed with this picture. So it is also an abstract concept. You cannot show it physically, you can only understand it. Okay. Then joy, see how joyful this girl is, how happy she is. She is saying, yes, everything is okay, I am fine. She is so joyful, she is so happy. So her joy is expressed with her this behavior, this gesture, this body movement. You can only understand by her gesture. You cannot see. Where is joy? Tell me, is this green part called joy in the picture? Or this posture of the thumb is called joy? Or this flower is called joy? Where is joy? You can't show joy in this picture physically, but you can understand that behavior, that quality, that feeling of joy by seeing the expressions of the girl, right? Now here sadness, see the girl, she is so upset, she is so sad. So the way she is standing, little bent, dropping her body here, having no smile on the face, showing so many worries on the face, expressing that sadness through her eyes. So that is what sadness. Sadness doesn't mean this blue color. Sadness doesn't mean her sweater. Sadness doesn't mean her specs. No, this is not sadness. Sadness is the expression she is giving us. Sadness is the feeling she is trying to share with her expression. Okay, that is, so as we have discussed, it's an abstract feeling, abstract concept. Now pity. The lady, she is worried and this elder is trying to show pity on her. Means she is feeling bad for this lady. See, sympathy and pity, two different feelings they are. Two different states they are, different ideas they are. Sympathy, she is trying to console the person. Pity means she is feeling bad for this lady. So it is also abstract concept. See the face, how angry this person is. So this form of this expression shows that he is angry. His anger is expressed with this, that he is not at all happy with whatever happened. It is making him disturbed. So he is angry and his anger is expressed with this expression of the face. Okay, so the anger is the concept that is abstract. Okay, so anger is also an abstract concept. Now this picture where few children are sitting and they are trying to have food from a small bowl, and you know very well that this much food is not sufficient for these people. It is not sufficient at all for them. So it shows that they are not rich people, they are poor people, they have the lacking of the that they are not facilitated properly, they are not having even the needful things with them. So this picture expresses their condition of poverty. They are poor people. So poor is the word, is describing their condition, and what this condition is called poverty. Okay, so all these words which we discussed here and we tried to explain them with the help of the pictures, with the gestures of the people, they are all abstract concepts. So here we have discussed all 5 types of noun. Is there any doubt you have? Is there any query about the 5 types of noun or any of the noun of these 5? Okay, let me know. Okay, so here some of the students are saying yes, it is abstract noun, they are getting it. So many students, Shaurya and that Maya Devi, it is written, I think it is Sri Ram's or someone's name it is there. Okay, so students, if you have any problem, let me know. Okay. So one is Avinash is writing, an abstract noun is the name of some quality, state, feeling or idea that we can only think or feel of, cannot touch it. Yes, right, we have already discussed that we cannot touch. See, this is pity, I am feeling for you, you can touch it, it is soft in touch, it is red in color, it is spongy. No, you cannot show that feeling, you cannot express that idea, you have to only understand it by the expression or gestures. Yes, right, you are very right. So here we have completed the discussion of 5 main types of noun. Next period we will go for one more topic related to noun, and that will lead you one step ahead towards the completion of this topic. So don't miss class, be there with the copy, pen, pencil, you can have your doubts there to share. Even from today's class, any of the concept left unclear to you, you can continue, you can ask me in the next class. So till then, keep working, keep enjoying, keep studying, keep practicing. Thank you, have a nice day.